Some good news. The weather has actually settled a little bit. So this is the same view out of the door of the hut. You can actually see the pole. And you can probably actually see Etheridge up there. Where we had our tents was at the first band of rocks that you can see before you get to the second band. It's now pretty much all covered in. The hot wind, warm wind last night melted the protection that we had. So Frank had to evacuate about 5:36 this morning. Domo followed a little bit after that. My little tent hadn't had any failures, etc. So it was actually pretty good, and I was comfortable till about 11, and then decided to come in. But yeah, this is Australia's main range. We don't really have Alps, but we certainly have really, really nasty conditions at times. Thankful for the hut.